Snoring is something we all deal with, and let's be honest, it's not just annoying, it can actually affect your health. I found a game changer, the Anti-Snoring Chin Strap. This little device effectively stops snoring, letting both you and your partner sleep soundly. It's adjustable to fit faces up to 27 inches, so it's perfect for everyone. Made from breathable, sweat-reducing material, it's super comfortable for all-night wear. Imagine waking up refreshed instead of groggy. If you're ready for peaceful nights, check it out and get yours today.